Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the BOME update today. And people have been saying that, hey, Adam Coins, please make a video on BOME because some few days ago, BOME was actually, moving up and it came down. We've seen a very long consolidation, almost like a reaccumulation down here. Now, people are wondering if we are going to see BOME back to the all-time high, which is 0.029, and that's going to be a massive increase of nearly 138% move to the upside. Now, I'm not sure if that is going to happen, but I will tell you some few support and resistance. Now, support and resistance number one is going to be this right over here. We have a little bit of a breakup now where we can actually expect BOME to try to continue to move to the upside. So we're talking about some ascending triangle right over here. You do have an ascending triangle that has already broken to the upside, and you have a good opportunity for an entry because now the next stop for BOME, I guess, is going to be from top to bottom, and you're looking for 0.017, and that's going to be a move all the way back up for a 44%. Now, if you do end up coming down to 9691, that actually is going to be pretty bad for a continuation. This is the dead end. Now, as far as you're above this price level, you can even do something like this and then go back up in the future, or just move up from here and go to this technical target. But I do believe this is a break. This is a retest, hopefully, and then we move up. Now, the second resistance is actually up to 0.018. So if I do show you this one, we have this next level of resistance where we saw a rejection here and a move to the downside, a rejection there, a move to the downside. So even this technical target nearly takes you to that resistance, and if you actually touch it again, get rejected, don't be surprised, okay? This is a resistance and it can actually be effective. But if you end up breaking above that resistance, that's where I might actually expect things to really push back up to the all-time high. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.